Okay.
Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Aksa, and I'm going to present you about differential expression. Basically, if I talk about differential expression, it's a simply normalized value in which we compare it in the form of statistical analysis to discover a quantitative change in expression level during experiment. For example, we use statistical testing to decide for a given gene's difference observed in a read count. There is natural random variation. As we talk about the background, as we all know, genes are differently expressed in any cell, any different cell of the body. Uh, as we all know, every single organism is made up of the cell, and cell contain the genes. They are appropriate for the protein production, and that specific protein help to perform a specific function. Uh, differential gene expression help us to understanding the molecular basis of phenotypic variations, and it's also helpful in performing a different body functions at the different levels. As we all know, there are different parts in our body, and each part of the body contain a specific function due to the differential gene expression present in it. As we talk about the genes, the cell that contain the genes present in our brain cell have specialized protein that may help us for the thinking, voluntary and involuntary reactions. If we talk about the genes present in the eyes, that may help us in the vision. If we talk about the genes present in our muscle cells, that may help us during contraction and relaxation, and it also help us for secretion like sebum's glands. Uh, Basically, if we talk about differential gene expression, that is simple. In it we simply observe a difference or change in read count or expression level between two experiment conditions. Like hemoglobin is a protein that is produced through the genes present in our red blood cell. Hemoglobin is used for the oxygen carrying capacity, and it's just present in red blood cell, not in our brain cell, muscle cell, eye cell, and all that. Just present in red blood cell, and that all is because of differential gene expression. Basically, if we talk about the importance of differential gene expression, as we all know about that, the fertilized egg cell is furtherly divided into trillion of cell and develop a whole organism. That all is because of differential gene expression. uh, Fertilized egg cell has different genomic or heritage material that may converted into a different cell, and that may create a whole organism. If all the organism have the same genetic material, if all the cell of the organism have the same genetic material, that may leads to abnormalities in the coming generation. As we all know, prokaryotic and eukaryotic organism have the cell, and generally we know that cell contain the genes, and gene expression are totally different to the totally different from each other, and it also respond with respect to their environment. If we talk about the prokaryotic genes, prokaryotic differential gene expression, it's basically a if we talk about bacteria, they are the prokaryotes and unicellular, and they have the DNA for the specific they have the DNA or genetic DNA molecules and genetic material genes for the specific information, or producing a protein that may help them in performing a different functions. The pillars present in the prokaryotic cell help them to having a contact with their self surface. If we talk about eukaryotic like us, uh, all our body parts play an important role for performing a different functions. Like I have already talked about brain cells, eye cells, and all that. if all the cells in our body having a same genetic expression, same gene expression, or same coding expression, that may cause severe problems in our body, and we are not be able of doing any different or unique task. As if we talk about multicellular eukaryotic also develop maintain various type of cell, like we have eye cell, we have brain cell, we have tongue cell, we have cardiac cell. They all have that, they all perform, they have all different functions, and they also perform a different function due to the differential gene expression. uh, if we move on the next, uh, almost all the genes are genetically identical, so how we get many type of cell, like this is the question, I will give you an answer. All the genes in the if we talk about the cell, all the cell are genetically identical with each other. If we talk about the eye cell, the million or trillion of our eye cell have the same genetic material of performing the same function. If we compare our eye cell or visionary cell with our brain cell, that they must have the different genetic material. Or if we talk about more, gene expression is oftenly regulated at different stages. As we all know, single fertilized cell is developed into a whole organism due to the replication or division. That division is occurred during the transcription and translation. DNA is converted into messenger RNA through the process of transcription and through the process of transcription, and messenger RNA is furtherly converted into a protein due to the process of translation. Due to this, genomic material is divided, and that all genomic material have different coding or different sequencing or expression. In the last, I wanna say that just um, uh, like if the variation occur in the coding, that may leads to severe problems, that may be a cancer, sickle cell anemia, classic single gene disorder, cystic fibrosis, and all that. Differential gene expression is in the last, I just want to say that differential gene expression play important role in our life. If the organism have the same coding, same sequencing, same gene coding, that may leads to sub abnormalities in the coming future, and that may the person or organism is not be able of doing a specific function or different function. Thank you very much.